Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change a roller blind chain over. There are a few reasons you might want to do this. Maybe you want a different colour, or maybe the chain is broken. But the first thing you'll need to do is uninstall the blinds. At the pin end, turn the plastic cog anti-clockwise to bring the pin in. Then you'll be able to release the blind. You can easily take it down from there. Then you'll need to slide out the control end. If you have a single or standard double roller, you'll have this component. To separate this, there's a slight lip. You'll need to lift that and pull the pieces apart. This allows access to the chain. By doing this, you can put your replacement chain in. For slimline double roller blinds, you'll have a component that looks like this. The only difference with the slimline component is that there's a screw inside, which you need to release like this. That allows these pieces to come apart. Now you can thread the chain back in. Next, screw those back together, and from there you can pop your components back in. After that, put the blind back up and check to make sure it works. Your roller blind chain should now be changed over, but if you need help, please give DIY Blinds a call.